Hello, friends and former foes. My name is Skyn, and welcome back to Rune. Now, this may be the last episode. It might not be. Probably is gonna be. It sounds like we're coming up on the end of this particular little chapter. Now, as far as I can understand from the information that's currently available, this is sort of like a chapter 1 of the story, which Toby Fox released because he wanted fan feedback for future installments. Like, it's not 100% clear, I don't think, but it seems to be that this is essentially a kind of free chapter 1, and then maybe somewhere down the line a full game will become available with more stuff. I don't know. I mean, I don't really... So long as there's more on the horizon, I don't care how it's parceled out. I'm just happy that I get to play this some more. So... Oy, that does not look happy. Whoa! Oh, whoa! We are the 3 former kings. We beg you, free us. Once all 4 of us ruled together, but when the night arrived, everything changed. Oh, my diamonds, my jewels. You must tell me if they're all right. I was arrested for making a parcel without a license. I'll never make another word search, I promise. Since I didn't want to fight you guys, I got locked up. How can I? You guys seem way nicer than the king. It's true, we are. Okay, so what's the elevator? Alright, this lift should take us out of here. Now, it might take a while, so... Oh shit, I accidentally progressed the story. Dang it. Oh well. Get comfy, everyone. Hey, Ralsei? You know Lancer's dad, the king? Yes. When we meet him, you think we'll have to hurt him? Susie? I mean, I could easily smash him, but you guys, I know that's not really a thing. You're more about, groveling like total losers. And I was thinking maybe I could do that too? Susie, you mean you want to try acting? Well... Susie, we'd be happy if you acted with us. And don't worry, we'll be there to help you. You won't have to figure it out by yourself. Sure, alright. Hey, Ralsei? Susie? Are you still gonna make those, cakes? Well, will you stop making fun of me? Well, if I have to, I guess. Then I'll bake you as many as you like, alright? Yeah, like you can make that many, dude. Well, this is our stop. Hey, Chris, wait a sec. You know, I'm starting to realize it'll be easier for us to get out of here if we all, get along a little more. So next time we fight an enemy, if you tell me what to do, I'll listen to you. But, you know, don't tell me anything stupid, or I'll go back to smashing heads, alright? Chris, I'm counting on you, okay? Aww. Okay, there's options. Interesting. But seriously, I want to go... I just want to talk to the rest of these guys. Just want to see. Us animals used to be alone in these cages. Now everyone's here. So many new people. Wish we could go back to the good old days when it was just us in these filthy cages. Oh, Jesus. So can I do anything to let him out somehow? Oh, I'm just a cage. No one talks to me. Guess not. Okay. I don't want to miss anything. It's like my relationship with Undertale is like, 'cause I miss you, babe, and I don't want to miss a thing. What's the question mark thing? Okay, so that might be going to the ending of the game. So let's go to the first floor instead and see what that is. Okay, this might be the ending of the game. All right. Tired. Excellent. Ow. Nope. Ta-da! Excellent! So many swords! Ow! Pacify. Ideally multicolored, but they all wanted to be... I keep forgetting to check enemies. Because I'm so concerned about just ending the fight. Okay, so let's go to question marks first, I guess. See what the hell that is all about. Because that's some circus-ass sounding music. See, because there's also a safe point down here. Boo-hoo! Boo-hoo! Whee! So lonely, lonely I be. But lo, 3 visitors standing inside. Who are you few? Nice to meet you. I'm Ralsei, this is christened. So, what the hell are you doing in there? I am innocent. Innocent! I just wanted to play a game. But the boring kings found such fun to be a trouble. As punishment, they crave to imprison my body. But I'm fast, clever. They lost the chase and locked up their entire race. Building a prison around the whole world. Now I'm the only free one. Huh? Free? But you're clearly the one behind bars. Things don't seem as such from here, Lightners. Well, it sounds like you don't need any help then. That is unso. I grow lonely in my little freedom, so shall you play a game with me? I'll show you what it means to be free. This seems risky. Find the key and I'll let you be free. Free! The key is hidden from the eyes. The old shopkeeper knows a secret. Okay. Well, if we're doing that, just like the shopkeeper is a million bloody miles away. So we'll need to find a transportation door to get to the old shopkeeper. And we already had to have the broken key. Which we found. So... what's closest to the shopkeeper? I think the field is. Yep. Yeah? What are you talking about? A prisoner with an odd manner? Nah, you couldn't possibly be talking about him. I see. For all the trouble I went to lock him up, you want to release him? Eh, now that you mention it, it could be troublesome if he was left alone. Yeah. Perhaps it's better if you heroes dealt with him now. After all, it's not as if whatever happens will matter in the end. See, there we are again with choices. Perhaps a little chaos might be fun. So then, take this. Broken key A. If you're so driven, find the other 2 pieces and get someone to fix them. I'll even give you a hint. Walk where the stars don't shine. Anyhow, if you succeed, come back here and tell me. Good luck. If you can call this luck. No, it's more like a curse. Okay. All right. So I have a suspicion that I know where the last key is to be found. Yeah. All right, fine. Jeez, that's a lot. Wait, no. Nice. I've never gotten the TP to maximum before. So, let's just see what happens there. Lots of extra money, basically. Okay. From the bottom, the order of our rooms in the card castle. See, presumably the last bit of key is in there. And I'll need to know what the heck is with the card castle rooms before I can come back here and fix that. So, let's go to the card castle and try and figure out what the hell the rooms are. I may have to write this down. Okay. So is this the spades room? Rudan's room, yes, that's a door. Hey, it's you! You're that peaceful lightener. Wow, you even tamed the beast that was tormenting us. Beast? What beast? Oh, you even taught the beast to talk. Here, have a choco diamond. Shade. We sold all of our beds to replace them with treasure. My back hurts, but life has never been better. Okay, so that's the spade. I'm gonna write this down. I'm gonna grab my note thing. Oh, that's a diamond, rather. It's from the bottom, it says, the order of our rooms in the card castle. And this does seem like... Okay, so that's useless. Just recover some health. This might take a while. Ugh. Let's see. Hello. Huh? So the worms have decided to crawl out and play. Who's there? Those fools. Who the hell is that? I am Rule's card. Thou art the greatest adversary. Though thou mayest clause thy past all those... Jesus Christ! Those otherest conundrums. But thous were created by utter weaklings. Now prepare thyself for the strongest puzzle of thy life. Toil, worms. God damn it! Nice. Aha. A clubs sandwich. Okay, so diamonds. I guess clubs is next. Let's write that down. Spades, rather. I don't know why I keep saying them out loud wrong when I know what they are. Yeah, no, don't. Okay, so the first time you encounter them, they will attack you. Let's try X-Flirt and see if it works. And hell no. Aw, Susie, it's okay if you don't know how. What? Shut up, that's not the problem. Are you sure? Alright, look, wise guy, I'll show you, watch this. Ahem. So, come here, often? Oh, God. Oh, that's relatable. Oh, no. Hey, get back here and let me flirt with you. That's also relatable. Oh, boy. Okay. Okay. I want to try it again. One more time. Just fucking... Hell nah. Let's see Ralsei do it.
I suppose if it can't be helped. Hathy, your beauty is just transcendent. Your hair is like a waterfall of... Wait, do you have hair or... oh dear, wait.
Not so easy, huh? Again, it's always informed by character in the most wonderful ways. Oh my god, Chris, I can't. Do it yourself. You said some sweet lines the enemies were deeply enamored. Yeah. Ha. That was such a lovely thing. Okay, that's the way up. We don't want to do that yet. That's not a way down. We don't want to do that either. But here's the heart room, apparently. Diamonds, spades, hearts. Have a chat with these guys. Hathy looked at you kindly. Your sins against Hathy were forgiven. Nice. Looks like Hathy sold all the gems and replaced them with beds. Looks extremely well slept. Neat. Ba-ba-ba-ba. And yeah, the first time they see you, they will attack you, but then from then on, you can walk past them. Oh, wow, okay. Hello, hi. Stop that. No. Nah. Okay. Yeah, thouist guys really think that it was all I had. Wrong. It is time for you to feel my real power. Behold, my ultimate puzzle. Have at you. Gullible worms. That wasn't my ultimate puzzle. I have a ways better one right here.
Can we see it?
No. That's lovely. Okay. And clubs. Oh, hello. Oh, Susie. Clubs it is. So, let's go and get the key and release the dude. I assume that it's the key that's in that chest. I suppose we'll find out. I'm kind of hoping that the thing behind the door is like an optional extra hard boss. Okay, so that one will attack you every time, huh? Still, there's so much! Okay. Whew. Okay. And S-flatter. Let's see what happens. Can't believe my bozo teammates came back here just to see you guys. I guess it worked. Okay, so diamonds, spades, hearts, club, which means well, that did not seem to work the way I wanted it to. Is it the reverse order? Is it clubs, hearts, diamond, spades? No? Okay. So maybe the toilet didn't actually count as the room of spades. Alright. Guess we're going back to the castle. Guess this is definitely the diamonds room, okay. But I guess this doesn't count as the spades room. Alright then. Means we've got diamonds, hearts, clubs, and whatever the heck the last one is. Fine then. I'm a little bit worried about this though, because there's clearly spikes here, which means once we go up the stairs, we might not be able to come back down necessarily. Okay, we can tell that it's spades is the room up there, and then the elevator up to the top. Okay. Oh, hey!
Welcome to my shop, you ungrateful worms.
Healing up. Okay.
I am the Duke of Puzzles, rules card. My hobbies include calligraphy, law-keeping, bookkeeping cages, and long walks in the dungeon. Artist thou one of my admirers, worm? Ha ha ha, so that I might amasseth funds, worm, an army of funds, that I may crushest thou, like fermented grapes, into a most delicious and adult beverage. Vengeance! Ha 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 ha!
Oh, that voice is hard on my throat. Oh, I didn't think he'd have so much dialogue.
Our Lord and King art a cruel and terrifying monarch.
However, he's also brilliant, for he decided this to appoint me as the Duke of Puzzles, after pretty much everyone else was fired or placed inside a cage. Truly a benevolent ruler.
His son, on the other hand, is more troublesome than a fistful of fleas.
He always asks me the worst queries, and calleth me his lesser dad.
Our relation is none, you little water beetle. I placate you for your father's sake.
I do not wish to hear your MP3s. I would rather listen to the sweet song of death.
How is he, anyhow?
Okay. Whew. Oh, sweet, you can sell stuff. Anyway, Spades room. It's a hole made recreationally. It's some kind of digging implement. There's salsa buried in the ground here, so we know whose room this is. 20 rupees. A bicycle is tucked into bed. Okay. So, okay, no spikes. We can leave if we want to. Good. Okay, so the bathroom wasn't the spades. This room is the spades. Good, good. Let us go and solve the puzzle this time. Finally! There's also spikes there, which I wonder... Ugh, and we're gonna have to do that battle again. Because there's no way to not get attacked by this douche. Okay. Befriend him. Defend yourselves. Ow, ow, ow. Okay, almost there. Okay, diamonds, hearts, clubs, and spades. Okay. I think... Nope, wrong, damn it. Okay. Nope. Okay, I think I got it. I think I got it. Yay! Took a while. Broken key C, thank God. Okay, that's all 3 pieces. Now we need to go to the blacksmith. He is at the bake sale, if I remember correctly. This is definitely not going to be the last episode. We're coming up on the half-hour mark, which is usually where I like to stop. So let's have the smith fix the key, and then we'll cut the episode here.
Ah, that key is seething with energy. You must let me fix it. Haha, let's feel my technique.
The broken key parts were fixed beyond recognition. The broken key parts became the prison key.
This key has a terrible energy coming from it. Please understand that I only fixed it so that you will never have to use it.
Yeah, that's definitely how that works. So, it looks like we might be dealing with a uber difficult optional boss, or something along those lines, who's hidden in the prison or whatever. We're gonna leave that for the next episode, which, again, depending on how things shake out, might be the last one. Who bloody knows at this point. I really like the emotional arc here. I really like, because it's a really brief game. It's really not a very long game, but it's a demonstration in action that you don't need, like, a 40-hour frickin', you know, campaign thing with like 100 million side quests and stuff to tell a satisfying emotional narrative in a short amount of time. Like, it is a little bit, I mean, it's the kind of thing where the only bad thing I have to say about it so far is that I wish I had more time with it and it hadn't gone by so quickly. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. There's like buttons and subscribe buttons and stuff like that. It helps me out. If you want to do that, then, you know, I'll be very grateful and happy for that. Very good. You can also, if you are so inclined, if you want to, I do have a Patreon that you can support with whatever. Like, if you have $1 and you don't need it and you're okay with me having it, then, you know, it's very helpful for people like me who rely on Patreon for that kind of thing. Indeed, or any other creator that, you know, you might feel deserves your help a little bit. Then, you know, you can do that. And if you don't want to, of course, that's completely okay. And if you haven't enjoyed this video, then At this point, I wonder why you're even clicking on it, because this is like part 8 or something of this damn thing, and if you're not on board with it yet, I don't think I can help you, but there is a dislike button down below that you can click on, which is probably not sealing away some ancient evil from before time was even a thing, which is going to spring from your computer screen and consume your very soul and subject you to torments such as you have never known over the course of your entire existence. That, probably it's like 1,000,000 to 1 chance that that's going to happen. So I wouldn't worry about it. Just click away on the dislike button. It's going to be fine. Thank you very much for watching.